Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in smart home technology. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 5 smart home security systems that you can install in your home 2023. With the rise of connected devices, home security has never been easier or more accessible. So, whether you're looking to protect your family, your valuables, or simply give yourself some peace of mind, you're sure to find something that suits your needs in our top 5 list. From high-tech cameras to advanced alarm systems, we've got it all covered. So, without further ado, let's dive into our top 5 smart home security systems. Starting at number 5, ASECAM 8MP Security Camera System. The 8MP Security Camera System 4K PO NVR Outdoor Video Surveillance Kit Home IP CCTV Camera Set SMA is an affordable and high-quality security camera system that can be used for residential and commercial purposes. The system includes a 4K PO NVR and 2 to 8 8MP cameras with CMOS sensors, depending on your needs. One of the best features of this system is its resolution of 8MP, which provides crystal clear images and videos. The cameras are also waterproof with an IP67 rating, which means they can withstand harsh weather conditions. The P2P remote view feature allows you to access the cameras from your Android or iOS device, making it convenient to monitor your property from anywhere. The cameras also have a wide viewing angle of 130 degrees, ensuring you can see a large area. The alarm system has a motion detection feature, and you can set up email alerts to notify you of any suspicious activity. The dome cameras are vandal-proof, making them ideal for use in high-risk areas. The bullet cameras are also waterproof and can be used for outdoor surveillance. One downside of this system is that it does not come with cables, and you will need to purchase them separately. However, the cameras are easy to install, and the system is compatible with various operating systems. Overall, the 8MP Security Camera System 4K PO NVR Outdoor Video Surveillance Kit Home IP CCTV Camera Set SMA is an excellent investment for those looking for a reliable and affordable security camera system. The high-resolution, waterproof and wide-angle cameras make it an ideal choice for outdoor surveillance. At number 4, ANNKE Security Camera System. The ANNKE 16CH5MP Lite HD Video Security System is a powerful and reliable surveillance kit that provides exceptional image quality and advanced features for ultimate security. The kit comes with 16 bullet outdoor waterproof cameras that are designed to withstand tough weather conditions and provide clear footage in all lighting conditions, even in the dark. With a 5MP resolution, the cameras capture high-definition footage that is perfect for identifying faces and license plates. The cameras are equipped with a 2.8mm lens and 2 PCS infrared LEDs, allowing for a wide viewing angle and clear footage in low-light conditions. The IR Cut Day and Night feature automatically adjusts the camera to capture the best footage in different lighting conditions. The ANNKE security system supports analog and IP cameras, allowing for flexible camera placement and customization. The DVR supports up to 16 channels of analog HD/analog 2 CHIP camera input, and up to 6MP IPC recording/playback resolution. The kit also comes with up to 6 TB HDD capacity, allowing for ample storage space. One of the standout features of the ANNKE security system is its advanced digital WDR technology, which enhances the camera's ability to capture clear footage in high-contrast lighting conditions. Additionally, the kit comes with HDMI and VGA video output, allowing for easy connectivity to a monitor or TV for live viewing and playback. Overall, the ANNKE 16CH5MP Lite HD Video Security System is a powerful and versatile surveillance kit that provides reliable and high-quality security for any home or business. With its advanced features and robust build, it's an excellent investment for anyone looking for peace of mind and enhanced security. At number 3, Reolink Security Camera System. The Reolink Smart 4K Security Camera System is a reliable and feature-rich security system that provides exceptional video quality and advanced smart features. This system comes with 4 cameras that record an 8MP resolution, ensuring that every detail is captured with clarity. The cameras are equipped with built-in microphones, providing audio input, and the system has an audio output channel, making it easier to communicate with anyone within the camera's view. One of the standout features of this security system is the person/vehicle detection capability, which makes it easier to identify any movement within the camera's view. The 2 TB HDD and 24/7 recording capability ensure that all footage is recorded and saved, giving you peace of mind knowing that your property is always being monitored. The Reolink Smart 4K security camera system is easy to set up and use, and the system comes with a VGA and HDMI video output, providing flexibility when it comes to viewing the recorded footage. The system supports H.264 and H.265 video formats and up to 4 channels of synchronous playback. The external HDD of the system comes with an eSATA interface, making it easy to add more storage space for recording footage. The system is compatible with Edge, Firefox, Chrome, and Safari browsers, and it supports PC and Mac OS, as well as iOS and Android smartphones. Overall, the Reolink Smart 4K security camera system is an excellent choice for those who are looking for a reliable and feature-rich security system that provides exceptional video quality and smart features. The CE, FCC, and RoHS certification ensures the product's quality and safety standards, making it a trustworthy and dependable choice for home or business security. At number 2, Hiseeu Security Camera System. The Hiseeu 4K 8MP 5MP 3MP 8CH PO IP Surveillance Camera Security System Kit Set is a high-quality security system that offers excellent features to protect your home or business. The system includes 4 cameras, which are available in 4K, 8MP, 5MP, and 3MP resolutions. The cameras offer a clear and detailed view of the area they are monitoring, providing you with complete security coverage. One of the standout features of this security system is its AI face detection, human body motion detection, and 2-way audio capabilities. The cameras come equipped with a microphone and speaker, allowing you to communicate with anyone within the camera's view. The AI face and human body detection feature makes it easier to detect any suspicious activity, ensuring your property is always secure. The cameras are IP66 rated, making them suitable for outdoor use and resistant to harsh weather conditions. They can be powered by LAN cable from PoE NVR or DC12V1A, providing flexibility and convenience when installing the cameras. The system also supports OnVIF, making it compatible with other brands of cameras. The NVR of the Hiseeu 4K 8MP 5MP 3MP 8CH PO IP Surveillance Camera Security System Kit Set is powered by DC52V, and offers a VGA/HDMI video output. The system comes with a 1 SATA port, which supports up to 6 TB of hard drive storage, providing ample space for recording footage. Overall, the Hiseeu 4K 8MP 5MP 3MP 8CH PO IP Surveillance Camera Security System Kit Set is a reliable and feature-rich security system that provides excellent video quality and smart features to ensure the safety and security of your property. The CE and FCC certification ensure the product's quality and safety standards. At number 1, ZOSI Security Camera System. The ZOSI 16CH4K PO Home Security Camera System is a complete package that includes everything you need to set up a high-quality video surveillance system for your home or office. The system consists of 16 8MP cameras, which are capable of recording in 4K resolution, providing crystal-clear images of your surroundings. The cameras are housed in metal, making them durable and waterproof, with an IP66 rating, so they can withstand harsh weather conditions. One of the standout features of this system is its color night vision, which allows you to see in full color even in low light conditions, providing superior image quality compared to traditional night vision cameras. The system also supports 2-way audio, allowing you to communicate with anyone within the camera's view. The PoE NVR is a 4K 16CHH.265 NVR that supports remote access via iPhone, iPad, Android, and PC clients, allowing you to monitor your property from anywhere at any time. The system also features smart sound and light alarms, which alert you in the event of any suspicious activity. The ZOSI 16CH4K PO home security camera system comes with a pre-installed 4 TB hard drive, providing ample storage space for 24/7 recording. The system also supports multiple languages, making it accessible to users worldwide. The power adapter plug type can be chosen from EU/AU/US/UK options, depending on your location. Overall, the ZOSI 16CH4K PO home security camera system is a reliable and feature-rich surveillance system that provides superior video quality and smart features to ensure the safety and security of your property. The certification of CE and FCC ensures the product's quality and safety standards.